Ever wondered why we get goosebumps? It's a vestigial reflex, a relic from our furry ancestors who puffed up their fur to appear larger and warmer. Now, it's just a tiny reminder of our evolutionary past. But why do we yawn? Contrary to popular belief, it's not just about being tired or needing more oxygen. Scientists suspect yawning helps regulate brain temperature, keeping our minds sharp and alert. So, the next time you get goosebumps or feel a yawn coming on, remember you're experiencing a bizarre and fascinating echo of our body's ancient mechanisms at work.